Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Larry in Kansas on this first generation RCI-2950. Larry got ready to go. Got the blue display lit back up for you. Looks a lot better in person than it does through the camcorder here. Got your voltage regulator taken care of, upgraded. Fixed some cold solder joints. Relocated the 5-volt regulator for the processor board. Did my tune and alignment, replaced what left of the 10-volt caps and any other caps that were leaky, and let's get to the video. 5-watt slug, half a watt all the way down, 5 watts all the way up, 50-watt slug, average power. Hello, about 11 or 12 bird, peak power. Hello, 31 peak. Alright, it's clean and mean. You got the private messages I sent you with the spectral purity and on the O-scope. Enjoy it, my friend. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.